Mikey, how did you survive out here all this time?
Ah! So where to now? We have no home to go back to. Aww. Not cool. What the? Ah! Look out! What the? Sounds oddly familiar. Is that a pepperoni? Oh yeah. Booyakasha! Whoa. Whoa. Oh snap! Check it out.
Very resourceful, Michelangelo.
Booyakasha. Oh. This is awesome! I three. And we have all the pizza and cartoons we'll ever need. The sweet taste of pizza. Ow. Huh? Pepperoni. He saved us. Wait, I have the greatest idea ever! What an awesome home we have. It's even got the new home old smelly pizzeria smell. Pizza. By the guidance of the great pepperoni. Have you heard the good news about the great pepperoni? It binds us all! It is you! It is me! It's this tiny sardine. Mikey!